Before Xchat can be used, you have to configure the Xchat.ini file or configuration settings file. In our case, we are going to configure ours to this IP address of 169.254.2.22. So now this has been saved. We can run Xchat application, and it is now looking down IP address 169.254.2.22 in our example, and this address only. We can already see down in this mode part that we're looking for unit numbers in blocks of 10. So we've got 0 to 9 to begin with. If we have controllers that are numbered higher, simply press the up arrow on your keyboard. We are now going to look for controllers 10 to 19. Press up again, 20 to 29, and so on and so on. We're going to go back down to our first section because we want to look for unit number 1. That there is our controller under unit 01. It's MicroGuard 2. The firmware version is 3.05, and that's the UID number 5-000-015-209. What we can do now is jump into the controller. We can interrogate the controller and access the internal memory. To do that, simply choose the controller you want to interrogate by pressing the relative unit number. So in our case, we're unit 1, so I'll press 1 on my keyboard, and I've now jumped into the controller directly. We have down here in the red part the raw data coming back from the controller's reader. In the grey part at the bottom is our events window. So any event that happens in the controller, we're seeing door open, door closed, door forced, all the events come flooding in. We can also at this point interrogate the controller by jumping into the internal menu. To do that, we simply press the K on the keyboard. To access the controller, the default pin is 1234. So when we type in 1234, we have our access up there and enter to access it. If the pin has changed, you will need to double check with other installation companies or the end user directly. Now we're into the menu map. There we have this internal menu that can access various features, diagnostics, clock, validate cards. But at this point, you can use or refer to the experts, Excel or MicroGuard internal menu map provided just shortly.